Today I introduce our pesticide residue meter. The model is PRT-16DA. It is Android system, touch screen. Here we can see the screen with different parameters. User can set according to their requirement. It has 16 test channels. User can process 16 samples at a batch. Built-in thermal printer. User can print test dates directly from the machine. Here are the accessory kits. Software. User manual. Two micro pipettes. Micro pipette tips box. Sample bottle. A beaker. Two bags of micro pipettes tips. Two packs of cuvettes. Two packs of tubes. A tube rack. A tube cable. A power cable. A bag of filter paper. A scale. Two funnels. And some reaction bottles. Also including a set of reagent kit. And a washer. That's all.